Hi. So in this tutorial, we are going to develop this kind of breadcrumbs. So each there would be each navigation menu here, and this will we will be building completely with the React and TypeScript. So let's start. So now let's start with the breadcrumbs component. So here I have created a breadcrumb folder, and there is breadcrumb modules.css and the index.css. So first of all, I would like to initiate that breadcrumbs component. Okay, breadcrumbs. This is okay, and now first I would design the props for this. Let me type breadcrumb props. I would give a wrapper class. It would be optional. So it would list cast name, so it would be also optional. Okay, separator. Children. Let it be React node for now. Okay. Now for now I need to remove this. So this would be a props for this main bread component, and I will be using this here. Let me first set some default values for this. So in this breadcrumbs, we can have like this something at the nav. I said bring it now, the main wrapper. Okay, inside this main nav we can make something like OL, and there would be a LI. So wrapper class name. list class name. So this list class name would define the style of the list, okay. And wrapper class name, in case they use the developer wants to pass from the pass a custom wrapper class name and list class name, we can pass it from here. Otherwise we would have our default styles for this. So I would be adding it. So now what we can do is we will pass the all the links as the children, and we can use these children to create like the bread crumbs items. So what I am doing here is I'm just I'm imagining like we can pass the children as a number of multiple childs, okay, some number of components. So it would be considered as an array here, and we can convert into in this array. And now we will, what would we do is we would loop over this. Written and I would make it as an item. So this each and every item would be rendered over here. And there's one condition, like we need like a separator. So for that separator we can write something like this. Let me draw a React fragment here, and let it be like, and there should be condition, like it should not be viewed in the last items, okay. So index should be like less than the breadcrumbs, and don't let. And then we can show that separator, okay. This is the logic for it. We can use this separator. And now what we are going to do is index. I need to, okay, so I need to index from here. And now what we can do is we need to give a default classes to our this whole breadcrumbs. So there would be a one default class which would be automatically applied whenever the user passes it, or whenever the user passes some his custom class, then he can do let me pass this chill. Okay, so now okay, now let's start creating with the classes. So first would be like breadcrumb itself. Okay. Let's say padding would be something. Let's give it something like not completely brown. Yes, we can give it some default color. You can have your choice in it, and then would be a breadcrumb list. I'm following a BEM convention here, BEM naming convention. So list style should be none. Okay, and display can be flex. Gap I'm passing it as a 8px. Let's import this style from here first. Now let's start writing the styles here. Okay, this breadcrumb, and let so again we can go with the same with the list styling. Styling, and now use this class for the list. So this would render our breadcrumb component. Okay, now let's do one thing. We should render the breadcrumb first. Okay, get rid of this. And let's just pass a simple links over here. So how sorry, not should it should not be a link, it should be like a anchor tag. So it should be like categories. Okay, and electronics, and this can be washing machine. So let's run this application. As you can see, there is this breadcrumb, and you can see all those separator, the links are been separated. Okay, now it is not doing anything, but we'll see if, like, if I pass this separator as this, so what happens in that case. You can see this, there is this separator. Okay, yeah. You can pass it to me. So now we need to make this and this links also miss this anchor tag also breadcrumb item, which can be inside, declared inside the breadcrumb or component itself. So now we should go to breadcrumb, and now we should plan to, like, build the breadcrumb item. So first of all, I need to make a prop for that. Item prop. Okay, and what it would accept is a link, which would be style like item style. This would be a class if needs to be passed from the parent. And third would be the children. Now let's design this so we would do is export const item now. I need to pass this here. So this would be a link, link, and let's pass the item style, and this could be an empty string for now, and for now let it be a simple a tag. Okay, okay, this will be a children, and I can pass this age, this link, class name would be design. So I am exporting as a cons, so it would be exported as a not, and this is the main component. It is been exported as a default, so you can get from the distressing that import over the area. And now let's work with the styles. Let's style the item first. This would be a default style. as a pointer. So the font size be let 20 px. Font weight would be something like 500. Text color would be in black. Hover, and it's for the hover whenever the user hovers over it. So at the time we can choose color, we can do color change. It should not be black, but something like related to blue. Yes, this would work for now. And text decoration should be underline, and font weight we can increase it. Transition should be is out. Okay, now what we can do is we can import this breadcrum item inside here. So this is the default style for this link. So breadcrumb item, and this is the the style which the developer would pass while using it, and this now can be exported here. Imported here from okay. There is some I need to I'm just importing this breadcrumb item. Okay, let's make this this as a no. Categories, spelling is wrong, but here, yes, it's understood. So now let's see this how it works. Hmm. So this, you can see the routes are changing. You can use for changing the navigation of the website, or also for like rendering a tabs over here according to the present breadcrumb. And so yes, this is what the basic breadcrumbs component would look like when while designing with the React composition. Okay, so this is using a React composition. And you can further more improve it. So suppose like you can also define the separator gap here, and also define the themes, um, variants of these breadcrumb. uh, and one more would be like the size of the list, whether it will be small, large, or medium. And this can be done. And yes, you can improve more and more from this. So this is the whole. Thanks for watching this tutorial.